Hey all, welcome back to the Car Secrets channel. Today we're going to talk about a technical service bulletin that applies to Lexus RX350 and GS350 years 2016 and 17. And what this service bulletin addresses is a chirping, kind of squawking noise from the high pressure fuel pump. So if you're hearing that sort of noise from under the hood in the area of the high pressure fuel pump, which is on top of the engine, then this is what may need to be repaired. Now, because this is a service bulletin and not a safety recall, Lexus will only cover this for you for free if you're within a certain warranty parameters. So here they talk about which vehicles this applies to. Usually they'll give you a VIN, a serial number breakdown, but in this case, it's actually on specific engines. So the technician would need to look at the actual engine code and see if that falls under this service bulletin or not before they gonna do the repair. Further on here, it talks about what the actual job is. So it's R&R, remove and replace the fuel pump. This here is the time that it pays the technician to do the job, and this is the original failed part number. So on different models, it might be a different part number. Let's look at the coverage. So as I mentioned, it's only going to be covered by warranty if it's within certain parameters. On most vehicles, it falls under the powertrain warranty, so 72 months, 6 years, or 70,000 miles, whichever comes first from the vehicle in service date. However, in California and some other states, it's actually extended to 7 years, so there's a little bit more coverage. Now let's go over to parts information. So usually here they'll tell you what the updated part number is, but it looks like they've updated the fuel pump, but they actually didn't change the part number on it. So that's why it's important for the tech to look at the engine code to see if it was the pre-remedy or post-remedy, so they can tell if the pump's been updated or not. So this is going to be the part number for the fuel pump for the GS, and this will be for the RX350, depending on the model. So the repair procedure is pretty much the technician is going to have to confirm the condition before they do the repair, because it's not a recall. They don't do it just on every vehicle, only if they can duplicate the complaint. They're going to run it and look for the chirping noise from the fuel pump. And if it does have it, they're going to go ahead and replace the high pressure fuel pump as per the repair procedure. And after they're done, they're going to confirm that the noise is no longer present. So if you do have that chirping noise from upper engine area, then this is something you may want to look at, and hopefully it fixes your problem. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next episode.